Clear Bra, North Dallas, 2022 Escalade, full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, topped off with a 5-year ceramic coating. Let's take a look at what we got here and move along. So our full hood here, all wrapped in, nice and neat, no lines, coming down through our fender, wrapping all that in along the headlight area. Headlights are wrapped, front bumper, all wrapped in all the way down, nice and clean all the way through. Coming into our door and fender, fully wrapped in. And coming up around our A-pillars, everything's wrapped inside here and wrapped around the back side as well. It's the best way to get your protection, because as the rocks hit this windshield, they bounce around in here. Coming around, getting all our edges. These moldings are easy to get underneath those. Our mirrors are all in one section, edge to edge. Let's see, coming around our backside. Fuel door, as always, getting fully wrapped in. So inside and out, so there's no edge. Easy peasy. Coming up in here, nothing to remove. We just get super tight in here. Now I got an edge or a mark. There we go. So everything's coming around, wrapping inside here. Here's a depression in the paint. But I tell you, General Motors, their paint really is diminishing. Plenty of depressions in it from manufacturing. So coming around this way, everything's looking good. All the black pillars, A, B, C, D, whatever, all these are fully wrapped, full top. This pillar fully wrapped. They will not get scuffed. It won't fade. Everything will just look great. So again, coming around these pillars, everything's wrapped in. And that's about it. Real easy one. It's just long and it's got a lot of film, but other than that, it's pretty straight, not a hard car to wrap at all. And keeping that film nice and glossy on that black. Plenty of special stuff we use to keep it from making marks. And there it is, Clear Bra, North Dallas, 22 Escalade, the long version, and XPEL Ultimate Plus, no tint, and with a 5-year ceramic over that. So thanks for watching, clearbranorthdallas.com.